Hey guys and girls, welcome back to Bo's Mopar Garage. It's a beautiful day here in Alabama. No rain this weekend at all, they're saying. It's about 11:30, 11:25, and it's 77 degrees. I'm going to be working on this 71 Challenger today. We brought this home 2-3 weeks ago. It's already set up on a machine. I'm going to take the dash out of it today and probably the heater box too, because along with the floors being shot, it looks like the firewall shot. So get a good look at it before we start cutting this thing up. A lot of guys might say this car is too far gone to fix, but they don't make them anymore. And there's not a whole lot left out there for the average guy. There's not too many bolts that actually hold this dash in. There's a couple bolts down here that hold the bottom of the dash in. I'll take those out. One couple bolts hold the steering column in. These are actually nuts. Let me get the drop light. Half-inch bolts over there. All right, 1/7/16 one over there in the corner. That one there you don't have to take all the way out because the pivot on that, you put it back in. You want to fall through here. That's good. And there's some smaller ones up here on the top. I think they're 3/8. Actually, 3/8 to 5/16. It's a lot easier with the windshield up, but you don't have to have the windshield out to take these out. Dropped it. Got it. There's one missing. Fish that out later. There we go. Be careful not to damage anything. This dash pad is shot, otherwise I'd be more careful with it. This car hasn't had a windshield in it in a long time. I should have probably moved these bikes out of the way, but I didn't. This firewall is shot. A lot of weight reduction going on in there. So get up in there and take a look at it. To the left, up. There you go. All right, so next to come out is the heater box. The ground wire for the fan is bolted right to one of your studs on your heater box. Don't forget to take that out. Otherwise you'll rip that wire out. Those are 1/2-inch bolts. And there's 3 7/16 bolts on the outside here. One there, one down there, one over here. Oh, it's got the original heater hose clamps on here. Look at that. Last time this car was registered was 1981. I guess that's when they took the motor out, transmission, and left it for dead. Let me get a pair of pliers. So they make a special pair of pliers to take those kind of clamps off. Makes it a lot easier. I do not know what they're called. They got little teeth in them. They grab onto the clamp to release them. If somebody knows what these pliers are called, you can throw it in the comments. Just going to cut these hoses. There you go. All right. See that? Sometimes when these nuts are really rusty, you back them out, run them back in, so the penetrator gets a chance to get in there. And that one's broke. All right. And this one will probably break too. Like they say, 2 out of 3 ain't bad. All right. Got one strap on the inside. Disconnect these wires here. Okay, that's all you got for wires. All right. Gonna move around to the inside. So we got this strap here that holds the back of the box up. Looks like I got some parts missing here. Leave that strap on there so it doesn't get lost. And I got some vacuum lines that run over here. These are the lines that make your doors open and close inside the heater box. So this is done. That's done. Pretty sure we got everything off. One more. Oh yeah, one more. So there's 4. Was hiding. All right. And a drain line. That's another vacuum line. All right. It's awful heavy. Must be full of stuff. Rat houses. Good look at that firewall. I'm gonna say it's gonna need a firewall. That's too bad. All right, so here's your 71 e-body dash sitting on the ground here. And that dash, believe it or not, is the same as the CUDA, e-body CUDA, and that's your heater box, which is also the same. I believe the heater box is full of mouse houses because it's very heavy. And there's still some usable parts here, but that's not the worst part of this car. It's going to need a right front frame rail for sure. Needs a right rear frame rail for sure. Now it looks like it needs a firewall. So it'll be a long time before this one hits the road again. By a long time, I mean maybe a year or 2.